Yeah. So there's movement in New York City when it comes to ICE and immigration. Know what I mean? Brooklyn, I was in Canarsie, know what I mean, and Flatlands. There's a lot of movement out there, especially at nighttime, know what I mean? So, and that's a very Caribbean, and a few Latinos and stuff in that area, but mostly Caribbean people, know what I mean? So, you run inside there, careful. If you in Queens now, they've been going to Jackson Heights, know what I mean, Roosevelt, know what I mean, Avenue side and stuff, I mean. And Long Island, not too much Long Island still, but Valley Stream, know what I mean, around Macy's, Walmart, them side there, and the Home Depots, know what I mean, they're looking for people too. Queens too, Merrick, or the Home Depot on Merrick, and about Merrick and Springfield, know what I mean. They know where they're going, they know they're looking for people, know what I mean. The parole, done. So all my other friends in Nicaragua were supposed to go to the parole process and stuff for that. There's no more parole. All the applications closed, done off, everything. You know what I mean? Sad because some good people want to come up, but right now, all that slow. And people, if y'all get catch, y'all no paper and stuff for me. See no tenis papeles para vivir aquí tranquilo. Si tú encontrar la policía o de inmigración o ICE, no te preocupes, relax, cálmate y sigue adelante. No hablar con ellos demasiado, sin un abogado. Pregunta para un abogado, so ask for a lawyer, I mean, and see if they can actually help you stay in the country if you haven't done nothing wrong or illegal. But anybody who's been doing criminal activities, no, not soy. Si tú eres un delincuente, so if you are a shot, I mean, bandillero, whatever you want to call it, know what I mean? Police is policia. Badman and badman, shata. Know what I mean? They doing their job. Solo trabajan para ellos. Solo trabajan. So entonces, it is what it is. Know what I mean? If you go back to your country, say to venir a regresar to país, tranquilo. Just remember, ¿cómo dice? There's the memories or the pensamientos en la vida aquí, siga adelante en su país también. You know what I mean? Abrir un negocio en su país, como los negocios aquí. You know what I mean? But yeah, be on the lookout for them people, man. Iced about, and it is what it is.
And look how what day, yeah. A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss. I'm going to listen to the call here pertaining to the New York radio wagwan. Guys, a whole heap of Jamaican I go see a come out. You see, it last Thursday in the month, I'm going to heads up. I go see, if you don't see over 100 and add, you don't see no more. Me I tell you now, but a whole heap. It half a clock of 100. And all the 57 where they say allegedly they come. But there, me I tell you now, guys. Me I tell you now, New York Street. I make a call, I explain to you what I go on. Cause remember, one caller called me and said, oh, Jamaican, you don't have to worry yourself, man. They have the man them where them look for. And, you know, Jamaican good man, you go to work and nobody live in a fear and doing the thing, man. Right? That the man said, ice now look for no Jamaican and ice now look for certain type of people, only Latino, Spanish people them look for. Well, I got news for you in New York. See? Big up a call where reach out and enlighten me upon what I go on. Apartheid look funny, but you know, sometimes we have to be serious and listen. You understand? So big up the people in Brooklyn and all over who watch the show and I keep focused. I soon I send me enough video, but I can't post everything. Anyway, the video not go long. I just want to get to the point. Like the video, guys, share it. I could drive, I could listen what the caller has.
On the road, my brother. I used to take up people left, right, and center over here. White Plains Road at Bronx. And you have Jamaica Avenue and Queens. Saying, and you got Brooklyn. You have Eastern Parkway, that are one. Virgin, every Jamaican ready to gone. Everybody ready to gone. Right now, White Plains were a ghost town. Ghost town, the whole of New York town.
What do you mean what like Jamaican they so gone?
My you them not tell you what go on, man. Say every
You mean they run we gone, no ice not get them though.
Run gone and who ice no whole gone. And that me I tell you, who ice no whole gone. Virgin over here, who every single day, they not ease up off of New York. And I like them ease up over here, Virgin. Every single day. And then come out early, Virgin, 2 o'clock in the morning. They out there. 2 o'clock, man, you see little man who used to sell weed on the corners. Not one, man, you can't get a spliff for draw over here again. Not even a spliff. Who you see, Avi? A $40 and $80. Man, I sell all own $80 over here now. Virgin, if you wicked over here, I don't know if it's somebody going to stop, you know. This I don't know if it's somebody going to stop, you know.
But somebody call in and I say it cool. Some things somebody say it's supposed to cool on you now.
Them people who are telling that not their road. Virgin, every single day I'm their road. Me Juggler Road. Bronx, me live. Brother, me can send you CCTV camera. When man them come for your brother next door. Me when them money are coming up, Virgin. The man then come like a police and I must go helicopter alone left fina here now. The man is surround you so you can't run go nowhere now. How true you don't even, brother. You have some people over here who are collecting man money. Them are collect money, Virgin, and I inform on the people and my inform on them one.
So well, this money thing where they say for call in a serious thing?
Then a serious thing, man, you get $700 or $1,000, Virgin.
Me see, but me never know say it gone in effect.
You see if a man who you snitch out of crime, you get $1,000. You see if a those immigrant, you get $700, Virgin. A man them a call in and a rat out a man them. Me know 2 youth to come from Guinea. Them that wash car for me. Them gone back at them yard. Because we do first, you know. You see the man them with their prison. Like the man them with their prison, like rather than we run one other. And me have a little bridge in the door. How much to the dialysis of Jamaica?
No.
To the dialysis of Jamaica, 300 US per treatment. They have to do 3 treatment every week, you know. It's either you go Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or you go Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you know. You have to do 3 treatment, you know, and if we bother Jamaica short, it will give people and make them do 2 treatment every week. You know, that's why when you get kidney problem in Jamaica, you're dead.
Me can't believe say people are collect $700 for call. Me hear about it, but me never know say it's serious thing.
You have a brother up a firm and they must stop rat out the people in Virgin. What do you mean some man say them all go fee in Virgin?
So how much money you got? How much money you get?
As much as you can, Virgin, as much as you can. You amount of them with you have house over here, we have them, you know, man. You have man where come here and get them papers and put them up in them Virgin from yard, you know. All 6 and 7 of them, you know. And we do go on the man, them rest all 9 man basement, you know. 6, 7 man, 9 man basement, you know. And one big bus that, you know, you collect as your bus span them, you know. And then come and make a raid, you get your money same time, you know, Virgin. And I think you collect $700 per head, right? So you have no more food for the day. You saw me, I say, might I not hear me, I hear this, you know. Them people who are calling, I hear them, I hear, you know. Virgin, I tell you what go on, you know, Virgin.
But you're straight though. Back to body, you're straight though.
I'm on the way, I say, man, might from 2010 minutes to somewhere here, brother.
Okay.
Carry my grandmother come here and married and carry a woman come here, brother. Yeah, man, me not worry about them sitting. The Virgin then right in front of them, me not do me things same way, man. They say, man, them over here create havoc my youth. Me not even know when them are going to left. Because man, them have one big truck park at 231st, Virgin. You can go there right now. And you see big big black van mark ice on the back. The man, them just park up out there all day, all night. You saw me, them are come early in the morning in the Virgin. I don't like it, man, them have a set time with them coming up. Them are money. Let me show you them, man. The man them so cold, Virgin, when it a snow, man, them a come for you, dog. When it a snow, yo, Saturday a pure snow over here. And I snow, man, them over here, Virgin. Man, yo, they my ear man. The man them go to a liquor man them where they know one a liquor restaurant, them like a little Caribbean restaurant. That is a Jamaican them hang out them. And the man them say you see yo, we don't see if on them over and we come in on the place and find them and have to pay 12,000 now.
That the ice people tell them?
Yeah, you see true. You see true. Them have one spokesperson. She come on White Plains Road the other day and she talk to all like business one of them. She tell them, so you see if we not on them over and we make the raid and come in on the place and find them, we're not gonna pay $13,000. You see true, you see true business one of them don't want to pay $13,000 my youth.
Oh God.
Business one of them push them out.
Then who them are gonna employ now?
My youth, then most I place them over here. You have 3 Korean stores shut down on White Plains Road now. 3 Korean stores shut down out there in a Virgin. One on a 214 shut down for good, you know. That one was a big one, you know. Because when you hear people talk about Black Seed Island, they say, man, ain't go buy Black Seed Island. Yeah, there's a shut down, my youth. Shut down. Because I pay immigrant and they employ. And now this money I ship them. A whole heap of them must ship out, Virgin. A whole heap of them must ship out, man. Them go like rice grain over here, some of you. Rice grain. I can tell you, say from that something I start. If him not gone over 30,000 people from Bronx already, not gone, my you. You say, my people now come a road, Bridget. People now come a road. The business people over here suffer, my no money now make a Bronx, brother. No money now make a Bronx. No weed now sell. Nothing now sell. Nothing over here now move again, Bridget. Me know a whole heap of people when I tell you about. We tell me say if this continue to 2025, my youth, they have to shut down them business, man. Nobody not depend on road again, Bridget. Nobody not depend everywhere suffer, my the Burger King, the Popeyes, the McDonald's, the whole of them are suffer, my youth. The whole of them are suffer, because bad as bad. Everybody used to my all people were straight for come on road, my life. All people were straight. Because they might tell the people, you have one brother up on the internet named J Progress. At the other day, I tell him, say, stop frightening people and Virgin. You see me, because he might make it bad or bad, man. He might make it bad or bad, Virgin. Because when he might tell the people, he say them hold on for green card holder, Virgin. I not see one green card holder with them hold on for. But I can tell you, say, most of African them, when you go down and arrive, last year summer, when you go, ask anybody where live in Bronx. When you go at Home Depot on Gunnell Road, and you look out the front of Home Depot, you see some man black like tar, so they come from Africa. See? Them man, they out there look work. None of them now no pay. Virgin, if you go there now, you not see one. When people scan it. If you go there right now, you not see one. When people scan it, my youth. The man drive a fear in them. And the man make them go in a house and hide. And now, he might do house raid. He might do house raid, Virgin. But here what? You see to all the house, them build a Bronx, my youth. In can't say, it's like in can't say, alright. You know how, alright. You see one that they on the side, two that they on the side, a Jamaica. Over here, so it's different no matter. Pay all those there, America.
Yeah, man, I know, so I all those over there.
Pay all those, my youth. So, them also build so long, Virgin, the number them not correct. You will live at 1857. See? And you look for 1880. And when you think that a couple blocks away, might that they're way up on the other side of there. You see me? So it's like in can't say, boy, alright, you what me go do now? Me go read everywhere on pick, man. In can't do it so my car. If in we do it so and him work with numbers and him say, alright, we're 1812 there. And in can't find 1812. You see what I say? So my youth, they might do it off for informing. A man, they might call them and say, yo, you know, say 7 man over there, so. And 7 of them are the papers there. You see what I say? My youth, me know all man over here will pay. The ice come for them and then pay ice, you know. Then pay ice, man, you know. But you roll them thing around my youth. Alright. It does determine how much of them company read. You say if a whole heap of them company read, you know, say, boy, if you buy out the whole of them, there are whole heap of money you have to give them. But you say if 1 and 2 of them come there, we can tell them, say, all right, you all of 50 grand, 25 a piece. My them will take him, you. A human being them like anybody else.
So to do they not have warrants.
My you, no man, they're not fear of warrant. They're not fear of. We never see them with no warrant. You see, they just come in a people house, man, knock on people door, man, and come in a people house. Me never see them show no warrant yet, brother. Never see them show no warrant. And me asked Brooke the other day, he outside of Brooke get raided the other day, and me asked Brooke, and Brooke tell me, say, them never show no warrant. They just come in a house. Because my youth, them have, them, the man them don't know who them a go for. And like they don't know who them a go for, they just go in and them find who them a find and come out. My people rat out each other, virgin.
Oh, the people them are inform, okay.
Them people are inform, my tell neighbor them are inform by you.
And the worst thing, when you're illegal and in a country, then you need no warrant. Well, no, then you need no warrant. Because you don't have no voice.
My youth, you're criminal. What's your...
Yeah, man. Yeah, you're not a voice, so you don't have no warrant.
Once you enter America, and you don't have an I-94, you're a criminal. You're a criminal virgin. All them people who come across the border is a criminal. You know, say a man's virgin, the man's smart, and people now watch out the man's smart. You hear people say, oh, by a couple months you hear this one. The man smart, you know, you have an app with them called CC1. No. The app there, allow you could have over a border. You can do a border or Tiguan.
Me know a app, man. Me know a app. Me say everything about it.
And you work with your asylum.
You shut that down, man. That shut down.
Man, shut that down, you know, virgin. See?
So, you know.
Mighty man. I can't them over here, you know. Can't. Yeah?
So, you would call nobody and try to get, if I even want 2,000 or that, or so.
No, man. Me not do that, man. Me alright, man. Me alright. Me woman not decent. Me not tell no lie. Me not really, me not means that a man where work. Me people, mother have a food truck down the road. Couple food truck well, my mother have. And you know, me go on, and me monitor them at daytime, like carry meat, go there and them something. You see me, but me woman have a decent job. Woman not a decent job, Virgin. You understand what I deal with? Me not really get up and go like work a 9 to 5. But me wouldn't know that, Virgin. That man foolishness that man you feel informed by. Virgin, me no want to see no man go back to Jamaica. Jamaica hard, you know, Virgin. Jamaica too hard. You have some people that talk about, save up money and go back to build a house. Might not so easy talk. Easy talk, Virgin. You know, just come so. The first thing you have to remember, you know, we have to go save up money. You have to go to Jamaica, you have to buy land, you have to start build upon land, or you go to housing just so you go get a house. Virgin, not easy as how some people talk, man. I
think if you're in America for a while, like, so you can do that still. And yeah, you know, and you work and save.
I don't talk the money. They have to make it, my brother. You can come here and you have some man lucky, then get themselves in some decent work. But brother, the resource, if you come here and you not have no papers, worse hard, my youth. Job, let me tell you something. Let me tell you two hardest things in America. Forget job and housing. Housing even worse. Housing even worse than New York. Might everybody can tell you, come to America so till you come to New York, you know. So all when you hear that state go on, me I tell you what go on in New York. And you see from you see them the place the empty. From you go Brooklyn and you see Flatbush empty. You come at Bronx and you see White Plains Road empty. And you go Jamaica and you see you go Queens and you see Jamaica Avenue empty. Everywhere else you can go empty, man. Because me say them done raid off of Albany, you know. Me say them kill off everything up Albany. And then just take them little time and work them little way through the whole of New York. Me say them go on Long Island and then ransack Long Island, Virgin. All man with me say over there, I do dentist work. Me say them send them back home. Because they don't have no papers. Them papers in the street. The man get too comfortable under Biden, Virgin. Biden mess up his system, man. Them.
All right, caller. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Be my dad.
All right, cool. Wow, so now hear from the man, guys. You know, maybe pick off the callers, see? But we can tell listen to them people.
No, it's really happening. Them people knocked at my door last night. ICE. No bullshit. Around 2 a.m., we got a knock on the door. I was looking through the peephole. It was like 3 men standing there. They was knocking on my door, and I could see them knock on the neighbor door and everybody else's door, but I didn't fucking answer because I clearly knew who they were, and I knew who they were here for. And I literally watched people get walked out of their houses. And up there, Mexicans downstairs, Mexicans across from literally everyone around me. I live on this whole side where all the Mexicans stay at. Seriously, because I know they party every night and they still ain't invited me for no tacos. But yes, and then I woke up this morning and it's Sunday, so all the work trucks usually be outside. Like I saw 5 work trucks usually be outside because they don't work on Sundays. I see 1 truck out. And I just want to say this is very much sad. And like I said, only 1 truck is out there. It's usually 5 work trucks. It's usually packed in our parking lot on Sundays where we can never find parking because everybody's usually home. There's 1 work truck out there today. Literally 1 work truck. The parking lot's freaking empty. There's parking literally right downstairs. And yeah, I really watched them bang on people's doors. I kind of went back into my bed because I was home alone. So I kind of just went back into my house and into the bed, but they were knocking, and right now it's so quiet. Usually I'm hearing the neighbors upstairs or the people downstairs. I don't hear anybody. I don't see nobody. I've been looking outside. There's nobody out there. And I feel like they took my neighbors. And what I'm used to is that my neighbors don't even speak English. More in Cali, most of the Mexicans speak English. My neighbors don't even speak English.
So New York ICE office report that them back up and pack up due to the influx of undocumented we in a foreign, correct? Do you know the border breach of them? So we talk about the border babies and the climbers, the hikers, them big up on themselves in New York. They so big old haberdashery. You know, so you know the Fox News had this huge headline and somebody shared this with me saying, listen, New York back up and pack up till we are 2032. Now between me and you, because I know say me go come here come tell you the truth. Now for una jump me see it all over every angle on social media. Right? No for una run with it and no have an attack here and an answer. Like I don't know why. Because between me and you, I say this every day, no for una yes don't have a case. So you don't understand, say, right now the backup and pack up help you in a foreign right now. Because if the backup and pack up never been a go on, no for una that never come out of detention center and get to see the light of the in a foreign. No for una that get a whopping 360 degree straight back to Jamaica, straight back to Trinidad, straight back to wherever you come from. You understand? You feel like someone could have come in a foreign and wear winter boot and winter jacket on the back and feel like someone all that, a ride pan train and experience all of the rat and the roaches them when the top crawl over on the foot big up New York. Right? So you come and see this all over the place. So you have no undies in a bundle though. Y'all don't understand that this is a help on a case. Because between me and you, don't have a case, not even a pillar case to put on a pillar. Big up the people who are asleep with the naked pillar on them bed. You understand? So this is good. Y'all need to stop follow the massive and run with that thing. Because if Gracia never back up and pack up, hear me now. If Gracia never back up and pack up, you, where watch this, but don't have a case. Where you think your ass would have been right now? In a Jamaica. You don't have a case, go to that CEO today and make a decision tomorrow and send it right back where you come from. Now you tell me, say, you get 20, 23, 4, 5, 6. How much add years? Some of them have a 20, 50 case, them there's a court date, one don't know if gotta go come by then. You understand? You not ball and I say, oh, New York take so long. That's the least of your problem. It buys you more time to be here with me. Your family, your friend, or whoever you're there with. You don't have a case. You can't find a liar. All of this backup a help on it buy no more time before a decision is made on your case to say denied. It give you more time. Here one now. If you come in and get the parole, yeah? And Gresham yet for call you up in a high school, that's all. Due to that for the asylum. And you got some books and book a one man, citizen man. Got some books and book a citizen woman. And got some books, you have the parole. Get the parole, you have the parole. No, I don't want to say that. Get a bus a big married so with a coat little size, medium size, I don't know, to each them own. Bus a married, drop in the paper they so the people with the parole only. You know think so within 2 years time y'all go get approved for your green card and the marriage while your asylum away we are 2032. Y'all think no? Think una allow the massive to think for you. You see this boop over every angle for social. I run with it ratted. New York full ratted. Me case now come up when my text along with me case me not get no letter. So It is better for you to find love, to marry, go back to your yard, back and forth and take and catch flight, not feelings. Nobody even do no asylum. For the same, you know, when you get a parole, a simple 1 2 within less than 3 years time, your books put in a waiver. But I'm married, put in a waiver, go down a yard, go do your interview and come back. And nobody even think when I asylum, because between me and Una again, nobody else now listen. Just me telling you. No, for we really want to go back our yard. Big and broke and empty and as Jamaica be, pick up Jamaica. It's hard down there, and we just come here for a better life. We run from where, who, when. You understand? So, bad as things be, you understand, we want to travel back and forth and go we yard all when we are run from there. So this is good. This is good. Stop. Get your hands in a bundle over nada, nothing. It is good that the system is backup. The backup gives you other alternatives for you to get leave in a fine. All the better. Let it back up. It's not like say you freaking have anything important more than what is going on to do. Where you want a bomb rush court date for what? Forget a bomb rush for free flight for go back to your yard? What is going on with you? Stop allowing people to think for no. It is good. In your favor, it is good. Golly. For all the asylum declaration, this one no for right the declaration, y'all still have to hold the one. Who tell them to give me 10 minutes video though? Because them know some we done all this 10 minutes and look for more space to talk, you know. But anyway. Because I mean I said for all the asylum paperwork, you can't find a liar, it's so reach your 1 year, you still have to complete the application, submit it before the 1 year time. Put these in. Yeah. If you want help to write a declaration, here for you. Immigration is here for you. Hey, here for you. You cannot complete the asylum application and on a lie and have the fee. You understand? Here for you. Immigration is here for you. The only thing we can't represent in our court because you know some me never gone to school because you don't go do no bar test. You understand? As much as I don't want to be a patois speaking liar and I court I represent no straight patois. I don't. But anyway, y'all reach out to me. My number is in my bio. No, just always said, she know me, I go reach out. I like my message so. Boy, I love that 10 minutes, yeah. But at the end of the day, my Instagram inbox is open. It's here for you _immigration. My phone number is up in the bio, right? They say it's the 510. Link me up on this. So, and I'm waiting for you guys to reach out because I'm not asking if here for you immigration, maybe I'll change the broke it down for me and you can understand. $50 for $50 for the consultation. I don't know where you wait, you know? And don't forget the 180 days after you can get the work permit after you file the asylum. So I want to sit down here on one bench and not worry about court date and no. Anyway, that's it.
Yo, I don't know if you don't notice this, you know. But you don't notice say, yo, at the Jamaicans and the Caribbean people them come America and do the CNA job and make the CNA job look so cool. The American woman them never want to do them type of job, you know, since after you see all of them want to jump in and them want to do it because them say, yo, the Caribbean people them come up and them do it. And I say, but look, now the person that buy a house so tight, the person that live nice so tight, the person that, you know, buy a car, you know, just to live nice. You know, like when I say, you know, live lavish, but you know, live nice. People used to say, oh, I clean no shit, like, I do that, I look after no old people, sit down in our house with no old people for watching hours and them stuff there. Jamaicans come up here and make the thing look cool, bro. I know the internet starts, you know, make it look extra cool. Everybody want to know, oh, you got which part you go do your course, this, that, which part you go do your little, you know. Everybody want a case for work and all of these things. The Jamaicans and the Caribbean people, the Asians, them, the Jamaicans, them, the Guyanese, them, and them come over here in America and make that job look cool. The Americans, them never want to do that type of job, bro. Them just want to jump and just go straight to RN. You see me? Them just want to jump and go straight to RN. But no, if you look on the media, bro, the amount of Americans will saturate CNA jobs now, dog. Big woman thing. So, we are not known for only the bad, but we're known for the good because we set a lot of trends. We might not be the first to do it. When I say we are the first to do it, you know, but how we make it look cool. We make the job look so cool. Well, on a Jamaican woman, or even Jamaican man too, because you have Jamaican male CNAs as well. You get me? I say, y'all make the jobs look cool and make people want to actually do it and pursue it. And then after a number of years or whatever, them just jump and go do them RN and them move on up and up and up and up. But yeah, the Caribbean people and Jamaican people really push out the CNA up on the forefront to make people, the Americans them and the other nations them come in and really want to pursue that. Run back the program and run back the file and see if I let me tell. Big man, preach.
Big up my CNA them. RN them. I'm OMLT them. Big up on yourself for watch the show. I want to make the show possible. Big up my Caribbean people and big up everybody all over in the diaspora. Thank you for watching this platform. Very informative. Storytelling, etc. Big up. I have a story for drop phone tomorrow. Exclusive. It's about somebody who got deported under this new administration. Okay? Yeah, man. So, I got to go and what I go and big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm coming live. I'm gone.
Yo, mix up bars. Respect and manners to your brethren. You know, I just send a message to you as a yardie who live a foreign in America, Mary Makaya, as what them call it. And I listen to your show and this morning, my mother fuck me get up on my review the immigration business that people are talking about. As a man who is a citizen of this country, I didn't want to become a citizen, but because of circumstances, I decided I'm going to become a citizen because I don't want if me at the wrong place at the wrong time, I get kicked out of this country. Because I did not want to pledge no allegiance to no flags, because I only pledge allegiance to God. But, you know, you have to do what you have to do. I did hardly even make mention of that, but mumble a little bit. But that's not the point. There are a lot of people that talk about how you have dual citizenship. There is no dual citizenship with Jamaica and America. Maybe other country might have it. America don't have no dual citizenship with America. You're a citizen of you're a naturalized citizen of the United States of America. You put in your passport, it shows so you're Jamaica, yes, you're Jamaican, but you're a naturalized citizen. If you live from here, so I'm going to Jamaica and vote, it is illegal because you're not a citizen of the country. So you're not supposed to go there and vote. You are a born citizen of America, and people that mix it up. Yes, you're a born citizen of America. You know, give up that, and you can't give up that. But at the same time, you choose to become a citizen of this country. So if I come to Jamaica, when anything happen, then go look for me and send me back out of the country fast and quick. When we come to Jamaica, police, the immigration give me limited time to stay in the country. Me talk to an immigration one time about it, and he said, if you don't want that, get a Jamaican passport, and when you come in, we can deal with that. But I don't think it's legal because you go in with a Jamaica passport, don't show how you come out of the country. But yet you're in our next country. So when you're coming in back, then can't stop you and give you trouble, even though you have a citizenship in America, because they don't have no way for sure. You don't have no way in your passport for sure. So you left the country and when you left the country and which country you're coming from. Then stamp you're coming out, but you don't get no stamp going in. So that can cause problem. I think if you could get an immigration lawyer, Jamaican immigration lawyer, to come on the show and talk, maybe it'll help a lot of these Jamaican people who don't understand what is going on. So if they want to play with fire, then we get burned. But blessings, my brother, and good job, and keep on doing what you're doing. But don't listen to the people who will tell you, say, there's a dual citizenship, because we don't have no dual citizenship with America. The brother who say work at the airport, or the man who when they talk, say him deal with all them things there, him right. People they call him stupid and all them something and idiot and I know what them say, him right. Now people just come on the show if you come brag and show off. We don't have no dual citizenship with America and Jamaica. Peace out. I know it kind of lengthy, but peace out.